Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I got a 2013 Mercedes Benz E350. Now today I have one of the strangest things going on. First thing I'm gonna do is just block the wheel. All right, woke up the other day ready to hit the road, and I realized that I have a lot of brake fluid when I hit the brakes. Something, of course, this car has a special place. Here it is. All right, this is where our jack will go before we place our jack stand. The car is off the ground. We'll just go ahead and get our jack stand. With the jack up, the jack stand is in place. Now we're going to go ahead and look for a couple of these bolts. We got some 10 millimeter and some 8 millimeters right there. So we're gonna remove all of this, go all the way back. See here, yeah, all the way back. That's all this plastic piece, so we can actually see what's going on under it to see where the leak is coming from. There's another 8 millimeter, 10 millimeters. All right, so the 8 millimeters are like the screws, 10 millimeters are more like the plastic cap. All right, so now we can see that this is loose. Go ahead and remove the others right there, and then this should come all the way down. 10 millimeter. So this is loose right now, and I can see the brake line just a little bit back here. It's rusted. A Torx. All right, cool. So now that we've finished moving everything, I think we can just start pulling down. Remove these clips out of the way. All right, this is more like the tool for that job. That's just what it is. And then it seems like we have a few more of these. So let me see here. We got there we go. And you can see right here where that's all brake fluid. Let's go check out under this thing. Okay, so what I'm noticing right now, just looking at this, that I'll have to replace this brake line. We have a few of these support brackets, right? We got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 of these support brackets. That should loosen up. Slide this out, and then this should open like this. And then you could just easily remove the brake line like this. You know, get to it. So I'll do that. Not even. You might have to do is just push. See all that liquid? Same thing here, push. The next step about removing this brake line right here.